It is 2023. It is 2024. It means it is time to clean my room. It is January 12th, which means it is time for me to start cleaning my room. I start my next class for grad school in a couple days, literally on Monday, and it's Saturday. And I have to do something about my room because my room is literally a disaster. I still have Christmas presents that I haven't put away, mainly because I have nowhere to put them. So I'm gonna be cleaning my room, and I love watching these videos. Maybe it'll inspire you guys to clean your room. You guys can definitely just like play this in the background while you clean your room. I'm actually gonna be putting on a podcast, so I have to see what podcast I'm gonna listen to. And I'm just going to deep clean, get everything in order, maybe throw some things away because, you know, I have plenty of stuff that I really don't even need. And yeah, we're just gonna be cleaning our space. It's a new year, it's 2024. We're starting this year off right. So I got my apple juice ready, and let's start cleaning. Stop what you're doing. I have an announcement to make. So I want to let you guys know that I made a little, I don't even know what to call it. I don't know if I should call it like a brand, a community. What is a community? I created a community called Beautifully Radiant. I'll post it on the screen right here. And it is just a way for girls to network and get to know one another and make friends. Literally, it's like LinkedIn and Instagram all in one. So I have a Facebook group which is called Beautifully Radiant, and then I have a TikTok and an Instagram which is called Beautifully Radiant Co. And it's like I'm tired of girls tearing each other down and being mean and like catty and everything like that. So I created a safe space and a little community for us girls to get to know one another and become friends and live a beautiful, radiant, positive, uplifting life. So I would love it if you guys would check out my group. Making friends is hard as a young adult or as an adult, period. Making friends is hard for no reason. So here we make it easy. So join the group if you guys want a positive community and you guys need to make friends. Join that. Now, back to the video. So I think I'm gonna make my bed up first, even though it's like 6 o'clock at night, but just so I get the pillows out the way, I think I'm gonna start there. Yeah. Before we really start, I need to find my podcast to see what I'm going to be listening to. Gonna be starting strong with my girl, Alex Earl.
It's Thanksgiving. I hope you're all chilling. I hope you had your turkey dinner.
So my bed is made, and I really just want to lay here, but I have a lot more to my room I got to do. So let's go ahead and see what else I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna take care of stuff on this drawer, well, on like this counter. This is just one of my nightstands. I didn't have enough room to put a nightstand on each side of my bed, so I just put one right here, right above the TV, which I don't even use. But I have a lot of stuff, like a lint roller, adapter, some skin products that I'm not going to use. I have this picture of me and my sister, like literally super cute. I'm obviously the small, cute one. But yeah, so I have a lot of stuff up here that I need to move. So I think I'm going to take everything off and then dust the surface and then put everything back on. I'm not going to worry about the stuff inside because that's for a different day. We're not taking care of that. We're just doing the visible cleaning. I'm actually really excited for this one Christmas gift that my sister bought me. It's a Warriors mug. I'm literally obsessed with the Golden State Warriors and Steph Curry and Clay and everything like that. So she got me a Warriors mug and I'm actually like obsessed with it. I kind of don't want to use it because I like it so much. I probably will use it though. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna take everything off of here. Like I do have a note that my mom gave me. I do have some candles that I think a patient gave me that candle. And then, oh, this one's so dusty. This one, it's honestly probably, I could probably throw this one away. Love you, Chris, but it's done with that. So I'm just gonna go through all of this stuff and put everything on my bed. I think that's what I'm gonna do. and dust it. Yeah. Why the heck do I have this lint roller right there and this lint roller? What do I need both? Why is this actually embarrassing? But clean, you guys. This is your public announcement because look at that. Oh. So this is my baby right here. Actually, it's not really my baby, but it was very important to me in high school. I was a competitive dancer, like Dance Moms. That was me. This is just, I actually don't even know what performance this was other than I got a double platinum, first place with it. So I just keep that right there. I have more trophies, but I kind of just like shoved them in my closet. I don't really feel the need to have them out anymore. But I just dusted everything. Hey guys, and I had to put my hair up because girl was getting so hot. So now I have to see where I'm gonna put everything. This is my gorgeous cap that I decorated because I thought I was going to be graduating. Well, I thought I was going to be having a in-person graduation, but that was COVID year. So this is my cap. Super cute that I never had a chance to wear. And then I have my tassel and then this little thing. I don't really know what she is, but I have her. So I'm just going to put her back. I don't really feel like decorating anything, so we're just going to keep it like that. So I got a little distracted on TikTok. And I have not done anything else since. Like I have accounting work. I think it's the accounting, honestly. It gives me PTSD. So I need to throw away a bunch of these stuff that I don't need. I need to fix my printer because my printer got messed up when we switched to internet, and I never fixed my printer. So honestly, let's hope and pray that I'm not going to need to use my printer during this semester, mainly because I just don't want to, I don't want to have to fix it right now. I'm not in the mood to do that. So yeah. My mom gave me some M&Ms, the candy cane M&Ms. I told her that these M&Ms taste different than just the regular ones in the pack. I was kind of joking, but happy about that. And then I bought these a while ago. I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to put them. So this is where I get ready at. I know I haven't cleaned this part yet, and I haven't cleaned this yet, but what I want to do is I want to put them under here just because this corner can get really dark sometimes, like compared to the rest of my room. This corner can get a little dark. So I just got these from Walmart. It's just these LED lights. We're gonna put them up and see how they turn out. I'm hoping I'm not gonna need scissors to open this, and actually I think I am gonna need scissors. So I had to take a little break because I was looking at the Miss America pageant. Well, I wasn't looking at it, but I was looking at content from the Miss America pageant. I've always been like super into pageants. I did a pageant when I was younger, and I've always wanted to like go to Miss America, but that didn't happen. And now I think I'm too old to do it. So, love that for me. Oh. My bachelor's degree does so much work for me. So pull that off. What the crap? My bachelor's degree did not teach me for this. So I just hung one up and I just put it right here. So, ta-da! That is what it looks like. And so I think I'm going to put the other one right here. And then, yeah. Super cute. And it was like, I don't know how that happened. But it's super cute and it was easy to put together after I figured out how to get the thing open. So now I'm going to do the other one and figure out where my beauty blender. The moment of truth. It looks like a little disco party. Like, okay, this looks super cool. I'm never gonna use just this light, but it's cool to have. And then so with my vanity, okay, why did that just go out? Okay, and with my vanity, this is what it looks like. Why does this one keep going out? Okay, so if this is like your very first video from me, hi, my name is Chayla. I don't really know what I introduced. I don't remember, but I am 26. I'm from North Carolina, and I'm a physical therapy technician, and I'm also in grad school. I'm getting my MBA, and I'm in the program online, and I'm actually starting my next class on Monday. My concentration is marketing, so I want to get into like marketing management, I think. And I'm in my last, why did this not go in? And I'm in my last group of classes, so I should be graduating this December of 24, which I'm very excited. The program was 2 years, so I started last January. And yes, I've already been in the program for a year. I have 6 classes left, and the class that I'm getting ready to take is business law, which is kind of stressing me out just because it does not sound interesting. It sounds very hard, actually. Like, I've already started learning. Like, I read a little bit of my textbook last night, and it was not fun. Like, I don't think I'm going to be having fun with this class, but we're going to try and hope for the best. And if you would have asked me like 2 years ago, would I be getting my MBA? I might have said yeah, because like I've considered it before, but for me to actually be doing it is insane. I cannot wait until December and I graduate, and I will be Chayla Perry, comma, MBA. I cannot wait. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm pretty much done, or I'm done with everything that I'm gonna do. I predict it is 9:45. It's 9:47. Real close. But this is my dresser. I did a pretty good job, I feel like, compared to what it used to look like. Minus this and that. And okay, okay, that's gonna be as close as it's gonna get. My dress looks pretty good. I tried to take as much stuff off it as I could. I still had to leave a couple stuff up because my room is really small. So yeah, this is just what I have. I took care of this. This is gonna go, and then this is just some candy, which I'm gonna move. It's still pretty junky, but it's like a chaotic, organized mess. And then I also redid this section, which is just like more feminine hygiene stuff. I also worked on this, which I don't really show this section pretty much ever. This just has like some camera equipment, my portable DVD player. My portable DVD player that I got for my birthday. what's this? My hard drive for YouTube, obviously. That's actually got last year for Christmas. I just never opened it. I think I'm going to, though. It's just some headphones, and they're pink. Super cute. And just some other tech stuff. This is like all my tech YouTube lighting corner. I do need to work on this, but we're not doing that today. I guess I still have my Christmas tree up. It's probably going to stay up for a little bit. My retainers, my Bible, my journal. That's pretty much it. So, I'm proud of myself, which means I'm going to eat some ice cream. So, see you guys next time for another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, which is just chalaperry. Also, actually, that's all I have to say. See you guys next time. Bye!